Those. Yeah, I want to like that too. Wait, can you update it later? What color? Blue or purple? I can only like pink.
Alright, so isang maganda po sa ating lahat. Good afternoon, everyone! Especially to all our kids and adults who are here this afternoon. So of course, before we able to start our program with a bang, tignan ko muna ang energy ng mga taga-Cavite who are here right now. So before we officially start our program, maaari po ba akong makarinig po mula sa inyong lahat ang isang malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang sigawan dyan! Yes, diba? Alright, so that's more like it. Ganyan po dapat tayo kasaya. And that's of course the energy and the spirit that we are looking for, because of course we are all gathered here to witness and also to celebrate one very special event for our birthday celebrant of this afternoon. So many po, good afternoon everyone. Welcome aboard here at the Bayleaf Hotel in General Trias, Cavite. And we are all gathered here to witness and also to celebrate the 7th birthday of our beautiful birthday celebrant po sa gabing ito na si Alpha Pate. So I think the long intro is finally over and you have also waited longer. So hindi na natin patatagalin pa. But before anything else, may I request all our kids and adults and everyone to please rise. Tayo na po tayong lahat because it is about time that we are now going to welcome on the grand entrance, of course, of our birthday celebrant po sa hapong ito. And of course, we would also like to request to all our guests na nandito po sa hapong ito na once I call her name on stage, ay salubungan po natin siya ng isang masigabong palakpakan. So all our kids, may we face the front. Harap po tayo doon because you can able to see her right now. So mali po, once I call her name on stage, salubungan po natin siya ng isang masigabong palakpakan. You guys ready? Are you guys ready? Palakpakan naman doon, Dana! Alright, so I'm pretty sure that you can now see her right now. But syempre, let's give her the entrance, the grand entrance that she deserves. So ladies and gentlemen, wala na ba tumpik-tumpik pa? Here you go, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let us all witness the grand entrance of our one and only beautiful and gorgeous birthday